Thank you, Judge President. The challenge one faces when they talk about the same subject at the end of a conversation by many people is that they find themselves repeating issues. But I will still ask what I had noted down during the proceedings, and you can choose the manner in which you will answer them. For Team Orengo, my concern is, and actually for everyone who has spoken about the commission, what we have heard is what, about this commission, is what some time back we had someone describing, was it an accident or something on TV, and we were told it looked like a video and drama. At least that's how I perceived the submissions on the commission. And so my concern is, when did this commission become this dysfunctional? The effect of becoming that dysfunctional? What corrective measures were attempted, if any, and with what result? My second concern is from 34A. Minor KI told us that this election is done not at Bomas, but at the polling station. And for the presidential election, the return of that form is first by electronic transmission. And so, the way I understand it is that a photo would be taken of the form at the polling station. A photo. I want you to tell me whether it's called a photo or what it is called. Is it called a photo? Is it called an image? Is it called what? That's the question I'm asking. And so that time when it is taken, and as it is being sent originally, is it in PDF form? So the journey, because this has to be understood, the journey from the polling station to Bomas, the things that happen in between must be described by the nature of that image at the original place, at the starting point. My other concern, which ought to have followed the first one before this PDF language, is what is to be done as a corrective measure against the chair of this dysfunctional commission. And is it to ignore the constitutional procedures and safeguards that are already in place? My final concern is concerning the relief to declare. What I have heard since morning, because of the dysfunctionality of the commission and a few other things, is that nearly everything about Articles 81, 86, the Act, have been impugned. In fact, one of you told us that everything that could possibly go wrong went wrong. So if every process that was undertaken in this process has so far been impugned, are we nevertheless to declare a winner? Are the figures, in the event that we arrive at figures that show that either the current president-elect has more votes than others, and or the petitioner in petition number 5, in fact, has more numbers, what are we to do? Are we still to declare? Irrespective of all the other processes having been impugned as you have submitted to us today. If you assist me with some direction in those issues, I shall be in a position to deal with the petitioner's case. We'll see what we will do with the respondents when their time comes. Thank you, Judge President.
Thank you. I think all the questions I had have been asked, but I'd just like to follow up on what